Right, so we're just blowing it off with some air from the gun, tacking it down, making sure get rid of any dust or dirt that's on top of the surface. We're going to be putting the base down with a Wacom Slim Combat. That's a 1.3. We're spraying at about 1.8 bar. We'll go on with a light dust coat first. Just make sure we don't get any nasty reactions. Same on the car, light dust coat, and then we'll go on with one full wet. See how we get on. So just giving everything another tack before we go on with one full coat. So tack the bumper again, tack the whole car. Right, so now we switch to point of view with a GoPro on the head. Still getting used to trying to set this up right, so excuse it if there's a bit dodge and the angles are shit. So yeah, just giving the bumper one full wet coat, and then we'll move over and do the car as well. You can see that. Then we'll switch back to the camera on the stand. Right, so that's had its second full wet coat. Skip that because it's the same as the first really. So now we're on to the drop coat. Just giving it a good drop coat, just to even everything out. I like to do that on all colours, even solid cover colours. I know you ain't got to, but it's just me. I just like to make it look all even before we clear it. So yeah, we just lowered the pressure a tad, probably to 1.5 bar, and just dropping it on, as the name suggests, drop coat. we go then, clearing up with the old iWater WS400 as usual. I do normally have an air-fed mask on, just not wearing it today because the old GoPro on the head doesn't fit. So yeah, just going to chuck some clear on this, one full wet coat and then a second full wet coat. Just makes it nice. As you can see, nice medium sort of speed, about 6 inches away from the panel, just watching it go on. See there, I did the wing and the first part of the door first, and then I'll do the door and the last part of the quarter and then the very end of the quarter. That's just me. I don't like walking the full length of the car. That's how I do it. That's how I like to do it, and anyone who thinks that's not the way to do it, that's just your opinion. If you like to walk the full length of the car, you put on your walking boots and you walk the full length, mate. Slow-mo action for you. Worked out how to do it on the old editing. Right, so yeah, this is the second full wet coat going on. I'm trying to chuck it on as heavy as I dare just to make it flow out and look nice. Again, gun settings are spraying at 2 bar and oh, little drip there, just wipe that off. Yeah, fan is wound all the way in and then I've wound it out 1 3/4 turns and fluid all the way out. Yeah, don't hoss it on like you SATA boys, but definitely a better finish than you SATA boys, that's for sure. And we'll move over to the car in a minute and just watch the last coat on that. Right, here we go, finished product. There's the old bumper. Looking lovely. No runs in this either. I ain't had runs for a while, so when I do get a run next time, because we all get them, I will show you how to get one out, hopefully. Yeah, there you go, little pink mirror cap I did for it. I'll do a video on just a mirror cap at some point. Thanks for watching, peeps.